Back in the day, some of the more affordable mid-range laptops did not exactly come with a dedicated GPU. Instead, users had to contend with integrated graphics such as Intel HD graphics and the Intel Iris series. While you can run games on these integrated graphics units, you're usually limited to lighter games and keeping them on low or even the lowest settings to have an enjoyable experience. As for AAA titles, you don't even bother because you'll probably be playing them at under 10 frames per second. But more recently, Intel has been introducing its lineup of dedicated GPUs called the Intel Arc series, and they're a lot more capable than you think. And it's not only gamers that will benefit from the more powerful Intel Arc GPU, content creators who need to export photos and videos can fully utilize Intel Arc too. Just how capable is the Intel Arc series? Well, sup peeps, Earl here from Yugatech, and join me to find out together with this Lenovo LOQ 15IAX9i laptop, which is fitted with an Intel Arc A530M GPU. So, roll that OVB. Let's first talk about Lenovo LOQ 15IAX9i. The unit we have packs an Intel Core i5-12450HX processor with 8GB of DDR5 RAM, 512GB of SSD storage, and the Intel Arc A530M GPU. For reference, the Intel Arc A530M GPU lets users enjoy immersive gaming on the go and even offers full support for DirectX 12. In addition, Intel technologies such as Xe supersampling use machine learning to accelerate run rate to help synthesize images. And for those of you who are unfamiliar with the LOQ name, it is effectively Lenovo's new entry-level gaming series before entering into the Legion territory. But at the same time, they are also a lot more affordable. These then make it a great choice for budget-conscious gamers who don't necessarily need ultimate performance all the time. But just because the Lenovo LOQ 15IAX9i is an entry-level gaming laptop doesn't mean it's down in performance. The combination of parts make it a very capable laptop to bring on the go. You get the usual suite of Lenovo features too, like Lenovo Vantage and even Legion Arena as standard. The Lenovo LOQ 15IAX9i itself is a rather big laptop, measuring 14.17 by 10.19 by 0.86 inches when close. It's not the lightest one too, weighing it at 2.38 kilograms. It looks a lot more sedated compared to the Legion laptops, which are fitted with lots of RGB lighting all around. Although I'm sure some of you guys might like this more minimalist design. Because of the size, you do get a full-size keyboard with white backlights and a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with a 144Hz refresh rate. Best of all, you also have a reasonably sized trackpad unlike the other Legion models, which make it great if you're working. I'm pretty sure guys you want to know how this laptop performs though, so we ran our usual benchmarking apps such as the Cinebench and 3D Mark, and we were able to get these results. But performance benchmarks are just one piece of the puzzle. The question now is, how does it perform when you're gaming? Well, we played mostly Genshin Impact and Call of Duty Warzone on this laptop, and surprisingly, it handled these two games without any issues whatsoever. With Genshin, we were able to max out the graphics settings and I didn't encounter any lag or slowing down or whatsoever. This made our experience so much more enjoyable, similar to what we normally experience on our PC at home. Even we were battling numerous enemies in the Spiral Abyss, the game didn't freeze or lag. We even had good loading times, jumping all over Teyvat and just taking in the scenery. The fans didn't spool out too loud either, which allowed us to enjoy the music even without using headphones. But Genshin isn't the most graphic-intensive title on the market, so let's move on to Call of Duty. As for Call of Duty Warzone, we let the game handle the graphics settings automatically. And to our surprise, majority of the graphics settings we were in medium. With that, we were able to consistently average around 120 to 130 frames per second on the menu screen and even when playing. Despite the sweaty battles we encountered with numerous airstrikes, flashbangs, and more, the Lenovo LOQ 15IAX9i didn't let us down by dropping frame rates. This alone should already give you an idea of how capable the Intel Arc A530M GPU is on the Lenovo LOQ 15IAX9i, considering how CPU and GPU intensive this game is. Aside from gaming though, the Lenovo LOQ with its Intel Arc GPU is also great for working as well. As mentioned earlier, content creators can also take advantage of this laptop since you can run Lightroom and Photoshop and render high-resolution images without any issues. The same can be said when you're exporting videos in Premiere. It might not be as fast as a PC, especially if you're used to one, but if you need to work, edit, and create content on the go, then it gets the job done well. With the full keyboard on the Lenovo LOQ, you can be productive in working too. There's even a 720-pixel camera with an e-shutter should you need to have meetings. Not to mention, you have a wide range of ports to work with too. The laptop comes with 3 USB-A ports, 1 USB-C port, and a full-size HDMI port, and a 3.5mm audio port, and even a dedicated LAN port to give you better and more consistent internet speed. And if you don't have access to a LAN cable, the Lenovo LOQ does have a Wi-Fi 6 connection along with Bluetooth 5.1. As for the price, the Lenovo LOQ 15IAX9i starts at $48,995 and is available in Legion exclusive store, Lenovo exclusive stores, and authorized resellers nationwide. It's still a bit more expensive than your conventional Lenovo laptop, but not as expensive as the newer Legion models. And at the same time, you do get great performance with the Intel Arc Graphics A530M GPU. In addition, you also get Lenovo Premium Care. Lenovo Premium Care is a 2-year warranty policy that offers a direct connection to Lenovo technicians who can quickly provide solutions for PC issues. And not just that, you also get 24/7 chat support via phone, email, and WhatsApp to help you solve problems with a device anytime and anywhere. And if the issues can't be fixed remotely, they can even schedule an appointment for an on-site support. No more traveling to a service center or waiting in line. So, yeah. But what do you think of the Lenovo LOQ 15IAX9i powered by Intel's own Arc GPU? Because we're certainly impressed with its capabilities. And if you're interested, why not try it out for yourself? You might just see what it can do when it comes to gaming and more. And that's about it for this video featuring the new Intel Arc GPUs found in laptops like the Lenovo LOQ. If you enjoyed this video or found it interesting, drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also don't forget to follow us on our socials, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, or X, and visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Earl, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!